How to remove contacts in Messenger. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. It's actually super easy to do, so let's get started right away. Now there's actually not a single setting where you can just completely remove every single contact in Messenger, which is actually quite annoying. But if you want to remove a specific contact, then what you can actually do is simply go to a chat of that contact. Then simply click on the top on the specific contact. And here you have a couple of different options. So you can restrict or block that person. So if you restrict them, then this will happen right here. And then it is gone from here as well. So in order to actually get your restricted contact back, you want to go ahead and click on the top left corner, go to privacy and safety, and right here you can see restricted accounts. So it says right there as well, limit interaction with someone. So that is actually what it does. Now I can actually unrestrict it. And then if you would like to completely remove someone from your contacts where they can't message you anymore at all, click on there, click on the top again, and then block that person. And if you block that person, you can either choose to block messages and calls. So your Facebook account won't receive messages or calls from that account. This account won't be blocked on Facebook. If you are in a shared groups or rooms with this account, you'll still be able to see and communicate with each other. So either choose one of these two. If you block them on Facebook, then that person will be blocked on Facebook and on Messenger. If you do the top one, it's only in Messenger. So I can block this person. Now it's currently blocking, as you can see. And then you can either report or even delete this complete chat. Now, I am not going to delete it, but as you can see, it is still there. So if I actually want to unblock it, I can just click on there. And if you have actually deleted the chat as well, then I believe you can just go to the privacy and safety settings, then go to blocked accounts, and then right here you can actually unblock this account again. So yeah, that is basically it actually. Now it's back again. This is how you can remove contacts in Messenger. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.